In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add bucket in Microsoft Planner. So in order to add a bucket on your Microsoft Planner, you first need to have a Planner account. This is done by creating a Microsoft account that is good for organization or teams. So Microsoft Planner is only available for those and not available on the personal plan. So do take note of that as well. Now click on the sign in option once you have successfully created an account from your organization. You can also get Planner for iOS and for your Android as well. So on my case, let's proceed to sign in. And here is my actual planner. Now in order to add a bucket, what you can do is you can just proceed to open the plan that you want to add it. For example, I have in here simple plan that I have chosen. You can also choose another plan that you want to add it. So I have in here this basic project management plan. So click onto this icon right here or this slider. You can see the slider and slide it all the way to the right until we reach the end. Once you're on the end, you should be able to find in here this add a new bucket option. So for this case, click onto this option and it will ask for the bucket name. So for this case, input the bucket name. Let's just input right here high priority. Once you have successfully named it, click on the enter on your keyboard and it will be created officially. So for this case, you can proceed to add right here the actual plan or move plans into this. So for example, let's try to move this into this new bucket that we have created and it should be able to be added into this. You can also add a new task for this one. For example, it's input create song. And then once you have this right here, you can proceed to move particular parts right here as you have noticed. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.